Alright, here I am. It's Thursday evening, August, I think it's the 6th, and I'm at a new location tonight. I'm at the horse farm, standing in the fields, in between the fields at this horse farm, which is probably about half a mile away from where I usually film at Marshmallow Field. I got permission to be over here by the owners of the horse farm because I told them about my sightings, and they granted me permission to come over on the farm here and film. So this is my first night out at the horse farm. And here we have a craft that just rose up, and it was coming this way, and now it looks like it's headed back in the direction it rose up from. Interesting. I only got about 3 minutes left in this tape, and then I'll break out a new tape film. There's a horse in the background. He must hear me. Alright, again, this is looking to the north of the horse farm. I'm standing at the horse farm. And again, here's another craft coming up. Thank you for this sighting, my friends, from the horse farm tonight. Something new. Wanted to try something new. So that's why I'm here. And thank you for this sighting. Hoping I can see something different tonight from a different vantage point. Thanks for this. Oh my. This craft looks like it was going forward and then it just stopped. Look at that. It's pretty unusual what this craft is doing. It was coming forward out of the north going south, and then it stopped, and then now look at it, it's doing a curve back to the north. Now I have to trace it back. It's going back to the north. Now that's unusual for a conventional plane to do that. Stop in midair like this craft just did, and then do a curve over itself and now head back north. Come on. This can't be a conventional aircraft or a helicopter like some people imagine these things I'm filming are. No, it's a triangular craft. It's what I've been saying it is all these months, and more evidence will be given that that's what it is. Thank you for this sighting, my friends, from Orion. Love it. And here it goes back to the north.